For this example, we're looking at the graph of the function f of x equals negative 3x plus 7. For part A, we want to know what the range value would be when the domain value is negative 2. Verify your answer using the function. So we can look at our graph and we can go over to negative 2 and we can go up to the graph of our line and then go over to the y-axis to determine what that value would be. Looking at the graph, I would estimate that it would probably be approximately 13. Let's verify that using the function. My function f of x equals negative 3x plus 7. So I want to know what f of negative 2 is. F of negative 2 equals 6 plus 7. So my answer was indeed 13. When x is negative 2, f of x is 13. What is the domain value when the range value is 4? So let's go back up to the graph for a second. So when the range value is 4, I would estimate that my domain value would be approximately 1. Let's check and verify that using my function. So if my range value is 4, I want to figure out what x is. I'm going to take 7 away from each side to make that a 0 pair. I get negative 3 equals negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3. And I get x equals 1. So my ordered pair would be 1 and 4. My domain would be 1 when my range is 4.